Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. You can see the color of Cottonwood Green stands out. Nice shiny paint job. This is driver quality. Dual striped racing stripes on the cowl induction hood as well as the trunk. It's powered by a 350 with an automatic transmission. It does have cold blowing factory air conditioning. Nice chrome valve covers and breather. Chrome shroud over the radiator. It is power steering and power brakes. Those are vision wheels on all fours, the Legend Speed vision wheels. Beautiful look to the car with those wheels and tires. 18's on the back, 17's on the front. Great stance to the car. Of course, you can see the vinyl roof as well. This particular car, just about ready to turn over the 46,000 mile mark. Those are actual miles. And you can tell by the engine compartment and then the interior that it's been very well cared for. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. You'll see some stills of the engine compartment, the trunk, and the interior undercarriage as well. Better pictures at the end of the video. Inside, bench seat, column shift. Nice wooden 3-spoked Grant steering wheel. Alpine stereo with extra speakers all the way around, so you can crank up your tunes. And the interior's in great condition, as it should be for a 46,000 mile car. This car's been very well taken care of. The 350 automatic air, excuse me. Nice car. And we have it priced so anybody can get in it and take it to the show. She is turnkey, ready to go like crazy today. I mean, this is one of those rides. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Make sure you go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures and the video and the detailed descriptions that we have there. Please like us on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram. And subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. Make sure you hang out for some pics. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.